Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I want to talk with you about a Schlage lock that I repinned with the Sparrows repinning kit. Here's the key for it. Let's see if we can see it there. There we go. Anyway, works like a champion. And let's see if we can't pick this bad boy. I can get this in there all set. And I've heard it said that, there we go. Heard it said that picking these locks without security pins is a little bit more difficult, but as you can see, we got it there. Next, I want to try this bump key that I made for it. Let's see if we can't get this sucker to work too. And that guy works too. So as you can see, there are multiple ways that we can get into this lock. Again, here's the key for it, Schlage lock. Still works like a champion. This is K1 Locks. Stay safe and stay legal.